Hey, good morning, guys. All right, all right. Today is Mission Thursday, and my name is Richard Mugica, and I am the founder of the Onward Men Podcast, a podcast built for high performance men that want to grow, that want to scale in income and impact and fulfill their God given purpose. And I hope you see the shirt, gentlemen. Man up, because that's what a man has to do, has to man up. And today, like always, I call every Thursday Mission Thursday. How to accomplish your mission as a man, because your mission is mighty, gentlemen. You are here for a specific reason, a specific purpose, and you have something great inside of you that the world needs to see. And today, I'm going to give you some clarity on how to fulfill that mission in your life. And it's going to be impactful and it's going to be powerful. And I hope you take this advice today, guys. But let me tell you something. On your journey as a man, you are gonna face countless obstacles, guys, in your life. And you wanna know how you find your mission? You wanna know how you find your purpose? It's by going towards the obstacles in your life. It's not by turning away. Guys, for some reason, I feel like men have some type of mentality that if it's not easy, then I'm not going in the right direction. That couldn't be further from the truth. If it's easy, you're probably in the wrong path. The obstacle is the way to your freedom and your mission, gentlemen. There's a great book, and if you haven't read it, I suggest you pick it up. But it's called The Obstacle is the Way. And I am telling you today, gentlemen, that if you want to fulfill your mission on this planet, then you're going to have to run towards the obstacles in your life. You're going to have to run towards the problems in your life. And it's going to be an uphill battle every single day, every single second. But that's okay, because the obstacle is the way, is the path to freedom, guys. And I'm a big believer that men in today's society, every day is a battle, guys. Every day is a battle. And how are you preparing for war? How are you getting your mind right for the day? How are you living in today's society? And how are you preparing for the daily battles in your life? Because if you're not ready for it, guys, if you don't have the skills, if you don't have the tools and the resources, life is going to knock you down. Life is going to knock you down, and it could even keep you there because you don't have the right tools, the right resources, guys. So develop the mindset today, as on this Mission Thursday, that in your life, you run towards obstacles, you run towards problems, you run towards the barriers, because as you run towards them and you take on those challenges, you're going to grow, you're going to become better, you're going to learn new solutions, and you're going to be changing every aspect of your life. One thing I can guarantee you guys, if change is not hard, then it's not change. And in order to become the man that you need to be, you got to constantly be changing. Therefore, it means it's constantly going to be hard. And that's the reality of the situation. But that's okay, because you're a man. You're born for greatness. You have everything inside of you to accomplish it. And like the shirt says, guys, it's time to man up. It's time to be men. It's time to take on the battles. It's time to take on the uphills of our life. One step at a time, you are going to fulfill your mission. But know this, it's always where the obstacles are. Easy is not the path. It's where the obstacles lie, gentlemen. That is our message today. So with that being said, if you want to scale your income by 5x, 10x, if you want to have more impact in your life, if you want to fulfill your God-given purpose, then go to richardmugica.com/man up and apply, guys. And I will see you there. If you like the content, make sure to share it with other men. Let other men know that Onward Men is coming to them. And share the message, share the brotherhood, because we are going to be high performance men at all costs, because that is what God created you to be, a high performance man. That I can promise you. We're out, guys. Have a great day and get ready for tomorrow, Money Friday. Coming hot. Peace out.